Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I'll show you the full GPT-5 SEO course. You can rank anything. Everywhere is GPT-5, GPT-5, GPT-5. What is the reason behind this? Why GPT-5 is very powerful at this moment rather than Grok, Gemini and others. Let me show you one by one what is the main thing of this tool. Okay, so before I am going to the topic, I'll show you one of the best tool in this AI area so that you can rank anything without doing any of informational work with GPT-5 or any other tool. Let me show you one by one. Here is the tool. This tool name is Boostify. You can see the best thing of this tool is the name Boostify. You can boost anything like your website. So I already integrated my site here and you can see the analytics option. They have the option for analytics, so you can watch the clicks and impression you are getting from your site one by one in the filtering data, and also you can export the Excel sheet of your result. Just quick setting is enter the pixel, code in your site, heading section or the code section, report email on, others email on, so that you can get the ideas or their updates in your email. And you can see here is the top ranking pages. They are showing to me how many pages I have and also working better and how much impression clicks I am getting from the selected pages. They have to suggest it to me. And you can see the recent blog post here, why AI powered coaching is the future of professional development, that is created by them. And they added image, they added the powerful title, they added the actional report and also the informational report, everything. So you don't need to do anything, like you don't need to create blog image, blog post or anything. They will create it everything for your website ranking. And also the optimized pages, you can see they already optimizes my 64 pages, and also the focus keyword, they also showing you which keyword is working better for each page. Okay, and improve SEO, blog post and everything. And in the rank analyzer option, here you can see in the rank analyzer option, it will show how many pages are already in the top position. You can see in the top 1 to 3 position is 4 pages, top 4 to 10 my 3 pages already working, and also the top 11 to 25 my 2 pages, and 25 to 100 my 7 pages. Okay, and if I show you the focus keyword or power keyword for each page, here is the keyword for this page, here is the keyword for this page, everything is showing, you can see. And the start position also they are showing to me. When they started work, this page start position was 61 and current position right now 9, progress is 53. And you can see each one by one they are showing. Okay, so I am recommending you to use this tool for your website SEO. Okay, and also you can see the blog studio, internal linking option, site information, recommendation, optimized pages, dashboard, backlinks offer, everything they will do for your website. They will do on page, off page, technical optimization, ongoing optimization, everything is done by this tool for your website. Okay, so thank you very much. Let me show you the main topic right now. So our main topic is GPT-5. If I show you in Google GPT-5 update, you can see lots of stories will be come to you. You can see what is the best thing of this GPT-5 and what can be done by the GPT-5. You can see GPT-5 can do anything for your website SEO. You can get the information, like how many information you can get from GPT-5. With GPT-5, you can automate almost every SEO step. You can see from keyword research to backlink strategies without reading multiple expensive tools. The rank anything, this rank anything methods work for you, blogs, YouTube videos or even e-commerce sites. You can see here is the best thing for this tool. Let me show you. Here is the step 1. In the step 1, the first step is keyword research and clustering. It can be find low competition keyword, high intent keywords, content outline creation. It can be plan SEO optimized articles. And the third step is AI generated drafts with one page SEO, and it can be published faster without errors. And also it can be backlink outreach email templates, build authority and rankings, and also the tracking and optimization prompts keep improving your ranking over time. So here is the update for the GPT-5 as well in the business section. Let me show you. You can watch lots of video here, and also you can watch the GPT-5 update in the main tool as well. You can see what is the GPT-5. You can do the coding and design. Like design, you can do the design, creative writing, medical research, then everything. You can see they will improve your, make it your own, voice improvement, study mode, and also the connect your Gmail and Google Calendar, and most advanced model for coding and agentic tasks, GPT-5 menu. Already they created a based model for this, and you can see here is the input or tokens amount, model it is in points and everything. So if I use GPT-5, let me show you. Here is the GPT-5. Try it in ChatGPT. You'll just only click on this, and then let me show you. Can you please write paste ranked keywords for me according to recover type 2 diabetes. You can see. Then they will search in the web, and they will use the paste frequency and research focused keywords. You can see these tools or these keywords are based. So let me show you the keyword score of this keyword score checker. Keyword score checker. You will search with this, and then keyword difficulty checker. Just search on this, and now enter your main keyword. So bariatric surgery. This is suggested by ChatGPT. Weight loss, type 2 diabetes mellitus. I'll add this kind of keywords, just these two keywords. I am not a robot. Perform check. Let me show you what is the best thing of this tool, and also what is the score of these keywords. You can see this is hard and very hard. Keyword difficulty index. So this is very good, and keyword difficulty is 71 and 99. That's very good. So 65 plus. If your keyword difficulty is over 65 plus, in the location was United States, you can vary from one by one. And the second is outline creation. Can you, now I will ask him, can you give me a full outline for these keywords? Let me show you. Okay, you can see they are giving you the full SEO content outline, how to recover type 2 diabetes. And you can see they're giving already title, primary keyword, target intent, information and actionable, secondary keywords, and target audience, and introduction, everything. They already created a blog post for me. Can you see that? Already created blog post. So what is the main theme of this GPT-5? You already seen this. You can see AI generated drafts. If you ask for this, and also if you ask for backlinks, and if you ask for tracking and optimization, it will be shown to you in a second. So I hope you understand about the GPT-5 powers. And also if you are doing a good research on it, then I am recommending you to do this, because GPT-5 is a wider informational language or informational tool. So I am recommending you to use this tool very carefully. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.